Welcome to B-Stride DIY. This is Brian at Walmart Supercenter, and I want to show you some of their tool and outdoor savings and sales going on right now. So first up, their Hypertough brand, which is a Walmart brand. This is their two-cycle 26cc blower vac for $114. It easily converts to a vacuum, it says, and blows up to 150 miles per hour. Has a 3-year warranty as well. Let me know what you think about the Hypertough brand in the comments. This is a 17-inch 2-cycle 26cc grass trimmer. Now this is going to be $98. The tag fell off on the bottom there. And make sure to stick around until the end. I'm going to show you savings on a power tool kit, some automotive tools, and prop up for a hidden value, how to find hidden clearance deals. So this is the Hart 40-volt cordless system. It's a 12-inch string trimmer and 450 CFM blower kit. So this says it's for medium duty trimming, 450 CFMs, and it's $158. It comes with the charger and the battery. Now, if you don't know already, CFMs, what that stands for is cubic feet per minute. So that's the volume that the blower is going to be putting out. So it's got a 5-year limited warranty on the tool and a 3-year warranty on the battery. Right next to it is the 15-inch string trimmer kit. So you're getting a little bit more reach with this one, and this is going to be $158. So you're just getting the tool and not the blower on this one. It does come with the battery and the charger, and again, you're getting some line as well, but it says buy extra line just in case. This is the 20-volt 18-inch hedge trimmer kit. Comes with a 2 amp hour battery and fast charger for $118, and you're getting a 3-year warranty on this one. I've personally only had corded hedge trimmers, so that would be nice to have a battery powered one. This is a 10-inch string trimmer and edger blower kit. So it converts to the edger easily. You get the 2 amp hour charger and the battery. This is $114, and it looks like it has 200 CFMs and an auto feed head. Someone had said the logo kind of looks like the Batman logo or the lettering. Now this is the job site blower from Hypertough. It's $58. It's a cordless sweeper and blower, and the max airspeed on this is 130 miles per hour. And then there's a 2-year warranty on this 6-inch pruner saw. That's going to be $94 from Hypertough. It's a 20-volt tool. And underneath, this is the fast charger and battery. So the fast charger is going to be $55. And then the 20-volt max 2 amp hour lithium ion battery pack is $24.88. I don't have any issues with Hypertough. I think they're good for DIY work, kind of quick and easy around the house. Let me know what you think. This is the 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer, and that's going to be $68. And must be nice to be cordless there. I've always just had the corded option. Now from Hypertough, this is the 2-piece cordless string trimmer and sweeper kit. So you can go ahead and trim up and then kind of blow the sidewalks after you're done with the blower there, and that's $87. And it can blow up to 130 miles per hour. This is a 12-inch cordless string trimmer with self-feeding head for $68 with a 2-year limited warranty on the tool here. Now this one's $54. It's the same brand as a 13-inch string trimmer. It's a cordless string trimmer from Hypertough. Now this is just the deal because it's a clearance deal. And here's one more tip. You can get the Walmart app on your phone, pull up items and scan the barcode, and you'll be able to find the best deals on them. Now next up, this is a Hypertough 2000 PSI electric pressure washer for $124. Comes with everything pictured here with the nozzles, spray wand of course. And then you've got this corded item. This is a 9-amp chainsaw, 14-inch for $64. Now these tools have a lower price, and you'll notice that just because they're corded. So that's the kind of corded section here of the Hypertough area. So next up we have this 12-amp blower vac combo. So it's 2 different tools, but you get them all for $54. You get a 2-year warranty, but they're both corded here, and you get a mulching option as well with the vac. This is a 13-inch string trimmer, which is corded, has dual line auto feed, and this is going to be $39. Next up, this is a Hypertough 3.7 amp 20-inch hedge trimmer for $39. Now I wanted to ask, when you're trimming like a shrub, do you bag or blow? And what I mean by that is, do you bag the cuttings or just blow them underneath the shrub? So this is a Sunjo adjustable tiller and cultivator here for $89. So moving on to mowers, this is the Hypertough 20-inch side discharge lawnmower for $247. Comes with a 2-year warranty. And then right next to it, they have these Hart mowers. This is an 18-inch side discharge push mower kit. This is for $384. It says it cuts up to 1/3 an acre, 2-in-1 mulching side discharge, comes with a 6 amp hour battery charger, and it has a collapsible handle so you can easily store it. Now this is also from Hart. This is a 21-inch mower kit. Now this is made in the USA. This is only $370. So I know this is just a clearance item here, but it's cheaper than the one that has a smaller deck. So this is saying it's a 21-inch mower, comes with two 6 amp hour batteries, rapid charger, self-propelled with adjustable speed, has the 5-year tool warranty and the 3-year battery warranty. And continuing with Hart tools here, they've got the 40-volt battery system, brushless, 15-inch string trimmer and blower kit. Now this comes with some string, a 4 amp hour battery, charger, and this is $184. Now this is a powerful blower. I think it said 600 CFMs. And right next to it is the 13-inch string trimmer and blower kit. Comes with the fast charger, 4 amp hour battery, auto feed technology, and string that you can use as well. This is the 26cc engine 2-cycle blower. Has 150 miles per hour max airspeed. It's $88. That's a clearance deal and with a 2-year warranty. And it also comes with the blower and of course oil lubricant since it's a gas tool. And I promise we're going inside to look at the power tools, but this is some of the grills here. This is an expert grill for $197. It's a 4-burner gas grill with 619 square inches of total cooking space. And I had to find the price. I had to actually scan that barcode to find this. It didn't have a price listed. It has a 2-year parts and a 5-year burner warranty on this. And one thing I did notice down here, the knobs seemed really sturdy. They didn't seem loose or kind of flimsy. This is that same brand, the Expert Grill brand. This is a charcoal grill here. And this is for $96. And it says 24-inch heavy-duty charcoal grill. It has the 2-year warranty, and then underneath it has the tray where you can put the charcoal in underneath. Now heading inside, we've got the Hart wet dry vacs. We've got this 8-gallon one for $69. It was $79. That's a rollback deal. Kind of look like fire hydrants, but they're like silver. And then this one on the right here is the 6-gallon one. And this is going to be $53. It was $65. Now we're in the power tools section of Walmart. These are the Hart tools. We've got the impact driver here and then the drill. They've got these kind of tied down, but these are both $79. And then to the right here is the circular saw from Hart. It's $79 as well. And then underneath they've got the combo pack for $98. And with this, you're getting the 1/2-inch drill and impact driver kit. It's the 20-volt system. You've got a 3-year warranty. It's saying it's got high-speed fastening. It comes with the 1.5 amp-hour battery and charger. And then to the left here, you have the 20-volt brad nailer. And now this is that 4-tool combo kit. If you've seen my other Walmart videos, the price has been pretty consistent here. It's $149. It was $179. You're getting 4 tools. You're getting the drill, the impact driver, reciprocating saw, and the lamp. It also includes 2 batteries, a fast charger, and then a tool carrying bag as well. Next up behind another section of glass here is the Dremel 3000. It's their rotary tool kit. It's $56. It was $64. You're getting a little bit off here. It comes with 18 accessories and a blue and clear carrying case. Hypertough for $59. They had this 12-volt max 3/8 of an inch drive cordless impact wrench. It's brushless with a 2-year warranty. And right over to the right of it here, they had this cordless impact driver for $44. That has a 1/4 inch quick release chuck. Then they have a 2-speed hammer drill for $49.88, as well as a 2-amp sheet sander. That's $19. That box is open, so you might want to get the one behind it. And then an orbital sander for $26. That's 2.5 amps, or a 3.5 amp jigsaw for $22.88. Now they also had their batteries and chargers. This is the Hypertough fast charger for $19. You're saving a few dollars there, and it has the LED indicator light. This is a 16-piece ratchet and deep socket set for $19. It was $22. And they had a bunch of tools here at the Super Center. There's about 3 or 4 aisles of different tools and power tools, but they're not going to have that at just a regular Walmart. Now this is a 214-piece home repair tool set. Has a 5-year warranty from Hypertough. Just something basic to have in your home. It's $49. It was $59, so you're saving $10 here. This is a 55-piece screwdriver kit. So I like how it includes the hex kind of shaped screwdrivers as well as the precision screwdrivers here at the bottom. I'm going to show you in just a second. It does have some sockets it comes with as well. Now this is a Hypertough creeper, can hold up to 350 pounds. It's $26, so it's a savings of $8.97. Then we've got these 4-ton jack stands from Hypertough. We've got the black and red color there, and these are $67. I would probably compare these to a brand maybe at like Harbor Freight and just take a look. These are raised from 3 7/16 inches to 20 inches. Now these are Blackjack 4-ton hydraulic garage jacks made in the USA for $134. Keep in mind the prices I'm showing you here in this Walmart might not be the lowest prices. So go ahead and check out this video and I'll tell you how to find hidden clearance prices on different stores and Walmarts. It does involve downloading the Walmart app, so keep that in mind. You will need some kind of a smartphone.